Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today I'm going to be making this delicious egusi soup. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. The full list of the ingredients I use in making this egusi soup is on the description box. So what I did is to wash the goat meat, then season it. I added salt, seasoning cube, onion, and a little water. Then cover it and allow it to boil. So when it's ready, I took it down, then went ahead to add in palm oil, depending on the quantity of the egusi you are making. So take note. I also added onion, give it a good stir, then go ahead and add in the egusi paste. For the egusi paste, I used a little water to mix it. Make sure that it's not watery. So after that, you just add it straight to the oil. Then stir it, give it a very good stir, fry it very well, so that after frying, then you go ahead and add seasoning cubes, salt, give it a good stir. Please make sure that you are always stirring it at intervals. Do not leave it to do something else. If not, your egusi is going to burn. So you can see the way I'm stirring, man. You can see the way it's looking. After that, I went and add the stockfish, the crayfish, and then the pepper, that Scotch bonnet pepper. Then give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. There are different ways to cook egusi. They have the frying method, the boiling method. So this is a frying method. After that, I went ahead and added the goat meat and then the stock. I also added water because the stock water from the meat is not enough. So I added more water. I gave it a good stir, then cover and allow it to boil. You can see our egusi is almost ready. You can see how it's looking so delicious. So what I did next is just to add in the vegetable. I'm using scent leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice, but try scent leaf. You will like the aroma. I cover it to boil again. Then, as you can see, our egusi is ready. You can see how it's looking. You can see how it's looking. This egusi was so delicious. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.